what you just saw was a cinematic POV drone shot, and these are going viral all over social media. You can generate them from scratch, or you can draw over images to control the movement of the drone. Here's exactly how to make one. Inside ElevenCreative, you want to go ahead and click on Image and Video, and you can click the first link in the description down below to get started. Here, we can generate all of the images and videos that we need. Now, if you already have your image, you can move straight to video, but here I'm going to generate an image, and this is the prompt that I'm going to use. The goal here is to generate an aerial view of the scenery or landscape that you want your drone to move through. Here, I'm generating an aerial view of the Palace of Odysseus. Before you go ahead and click Generate, you want to go ahead and choose the model. One of my favorites for generating these types of shots is GPT Image 2, and then I like to generate this at least 2K resolution and the quality set to high. And then when it comes to the aspect ratio, you can choose whichever one you want. You just need to make sure that it's compatible aspect ratio with the video model that you generate. Here, we're going to go ahead and generate a 16:9. You can also choose the number of generations that you want to generate, and I like to generate 4 variations just so I have a choice. And then we go ahead and click Generate. Now we've got our 4 generations. You want to go ahead and choose your favorite, and we want to use it as a reference. So here, we want to go and click on Video, and then in the model picker, we want to either choose Gemini Omni Flash or Seedance 2.0. Gemini Omni Flash is a little bit cheaper and faster, but we're limited to 720p, and the downside of Gemini Omni Flash is that it's a little inconsistent with its generations. And so for this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose Seedance 2.0, and the upside of Seedance 2.0 is that we can actually go and generate immediately at 4K, and we have more control over the duration of the video as well, and we're not capped at 10 seconds. What we want to do is drag in our favorite and use it as a reference image, and we can then go ahead and use this prompt right here. One thing to note though is that here, using this prompt, we don't actually have any control over the drone going through the scene. And so if we want to do that, we actually need to draw a guiding line on our aerial view image. To do this, we can go ahead and click Download, and if you're on Mac, you can open up the generation in Preview. You can then use the Sketch tool, and you want to draw a red line that guides the drone through your generation. We're then going to go back to ElevenCreative, delete the original reference image, and upload the new one that has the red line on it. Then I'm going to paste in this prompt right here, which as you can see tells Seedance 2.0 that the drone should follow the path of the red line. We can then set the resolution, and because I'm testing this out, I'm going to do 1080p, and I can always upscale afterwards. And then I want to set the duration to about 8 seconds, and I want to generate 2 variations so I can compare the two, and then we simply click Generate. And because we decided to keep the sound on, we're going to get some cool audio that should accompany our drone, and this is what it looks like. And just for comparison, this is what Gemini Omni Flash gave us. And that is how to generate cinematic POV drone shots using ElevenCreative. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.